Hey everybody, Liddell Steiner here with Romain.
Hello.
And we're going to be just talking about the bulb planter specifically. This is a really innovative machine that's on one hand very simple, on the other hand somewhat complex. So today we're going to talk about specifically the why you might purchase this and what it's for. In a separate video we're going to talk about how to make adjustments to make it work for you. So Romain, can you explain to me what kind of customer is going to be looking at this product and why and what stage of your kind of farm might you make this investment?
Yeah. So we have designed these microbulbs transplanters mainly for small-scale growers. That unit is mainly done for onion transplanting. We also have some customers doing garlics, but we do not really recommend to use it for garlics. Because the garlics, let's say, the bulbs are quite, we have a lot of different spaces and different size, sorry. So it's very hard to do a good transplant.
Okay.
But with onions, that works pretty good. And it works also for like round onions or onions with different types of sizes.
And this is all mechanical, correct?
Yeah,
There's no battery on here. Yeah. It's all mechanical.
So this is a hand push unit, all mechanical, mainly designed for like people who are who was transplanting by hand for a day. They can do it with that planter under an hour, something like this.
Okay. Yeah. All right. There's a few quick adjustments that you're going to make, but really overall, we're not going to get into that right now, but you can change the spacing of the plants.
Yes.
What other adjustments might you make?
You can adjust for sure the distance between each plant, how deep you want the plant.
And also the bulb size.
The bulb size, and it's a bit like a seeder, I would say, for bulbs. Of course, that's a pricey unit, but what we observed in Europe, like you use it maybe half a day, a year. So it's very short use. And what we see here, the people are buying it like 2 or 3 farmers buy one unit because they don't need it every day. It's not a daily use, so
that's a good way to, if you have a couple farmers that want to go in on one, again, even a half a day can add up, especially if planting that half a day would have been 3 days of planting by hand.
Yeah, this is it.
So. Okay.
So it's like a seeders. You have a furrower. You open the ground. We drop on the tube bulbs one after the others, and by pushing the unit. And it's not planting the bulb like straight. The bulbs is going down like and going into the ground like it is. But on onions, the bulbs is looking at the sun, try to find the sun, so that's not a problem. But this machine, you cannot plant shallot.
Okay.
It's only onions and sometimes garlic, depends of the quality of the bulbs.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks for explaining a little bit of the microbulbs planter. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to Tilmor. We're happy to help. And check it out on our website.
Yeah.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Thank you.